chart, sir. If you
Yeah.
see, the sum of total of sales amount for me and for you are different. I do not understand how.
Okay.
If you check the 4 minutes video that you shared with me, no?
Okay.
And there the sum of amount, sales amount written for each row and the total amount is different for you.
This one.
Yeah,
Okay. You didn't deselect the 2015.
I did. Oh, it is already okay. This is my sheet.
Yes.
Okay, I did select 2014.
It's
Okay.
got clear. This one.
Yeah, this one is clear.
Okay.
Can we go to
And,
the question part now? I'll tell you which question I faced problem.
and which sheet I need to go?
Test.
Test. Okay.
To the scroll up.
Okay.
This question, no, according to sheet 1 and sheet 3, fill in the 2015 contract amount.
Yes.
Some product I was doing every time it was showing NA.
Some
If you
product.
just if you just go to the sales contract column,
Okay.
I'll tell the formula and you write it.
Okay.
Equal to
Equal to.
some product
Right. Equal to some product.
double column double parenthesis.
Okay.
Then we select region.
Region from here.
Sheet one.
Sheet one.
Yeah, region from sheet one. No, region. It is region or product subline. I forgot. Let me check.
Some product line.
Some sub
Sub
product line.
product line. And
Sorry. Then
customer ID.
we have to select the sub product line only.
Yeah. Okay. Sub product line.
Then we have to do F4
Sub product line.
total.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. And
Then
F4
F4 equal to
equal to
sheet 3.
sheet 3. Okay.
The sub product line
Sub product line.
only first row, and then we close the first parenthesis.
Only the first one or entire?
Just first one, and then we'll put in multiply sign. No?
Oh, it's not the first one, I think.
Yeah, then we put the multiply sign, and then we go to again to the sheet first, and then select the customer ID.
Like that? I don't think so. It's like this.
That is
Uh,
why I was not getting the result.
okay. May I try this again?
Yeah, it is like this. Now we solved it
Yes, we solved
together.
that. I think we did like this one. Okay. Equal to
Okay.
some product
Yeah.
and once again open bracket and I move to the sheet 3 in a sub product line. I choose the entire F4 equal to and sheet 1 sub product line, uh, only this one,
Okay.
and the bracket close. I put an into
Into multiplied sign.
and open bracket, and next one once again sheet 3. They
Yeah.
ask the customer ID. I
Okay.
select the entire customer ID. I think
Yeah.
I did a mistake in here.
F4.
F4. There is a mistake in here. Okay. So sheet 3 should be from 2.
Huh?
Okay. because I didn't properly selected in the last one. It's selected from the in between, not from the second row. That's why I changed that. Okay, and equal to, move to the sheet one and select the customer ID as a customer ID. Yeah, customer ID, bracket close, and what I have to
comma, comma,
comma,
and then you went to the again to the sheet where contract is there, and you select home
select the contract,
amount, and then you put the
bracket close,
bracket close and enter.
F4 and bracket.
F4, 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 yeah, F4 and bracket close.
I got the result.
You got the result, but I think you did something,
No, the thing
there.
what happened to you means that you select the range entirely from here in the sheet one.
Yeah,
That's the mistake you had did. Okay, you
I
need
have
to
to
select
select
the
from
range from sheet three.
and one value from sheet one.
Yeah.
But that day, I was going through the video. You did
Hmm.
oppositely, yes.
Just you try now. Abhin now.
I'll try. You share the sheet back. First, I'll submit the share to the company, and then I'll try.
Okay.
I know I can do it now. It's just,
Okay. Just okay. Fill this one.
yeah.
Okay, done. Okay, it's filled. I save this one again.
Is it giving the right results, sir?
We can check it's for, and where there is an empty.
There's a one.
No
Let me
one.
just
No,
copy
it's
this
the
one.
formula is not back. Why? That's the formula.
No, this is not correct, sir.
This is not correct.
This is not correct.
Why? No, it's right. Right now.
Let me see.
Check.
20, 40, 24, 90. How to check? 6003. Is it
I,
correct?
this is the ID. No, 6003893 0.
Mm-hmm.
6003893 0.
Six
Control.
double eight. How can we quickly check it? Is there something in the data validation that can show us that the results are good?
Fine. See here, it's showing me 28.
Sir, there's a problem in sheet 3 now. There
What?
is this, there is this, go to row number 234.
Row number 234.
Yeah.
Okay.
Row number 234 is not number.
This is not a number.
Yeah,
Just
so,
remove this error.
and then we will have result for it also, right?
Yes. It will get automatically update. 234. Okay. What is the 234? This one.
37.
Yes. There is no ID in here.
How is it that possible?
The customer ID is not in here.
So, but we put customer ID.
We put the customer ID.
Yeah, and these are right IDs. So, sheet 1 and sheet 3 cannot differ.
No, no, because we choose the customer ID.
Uh-huh.
Uh, okay, we will go to the test.
See, I have this. I have this. See, 200329 here also, and 200329 in column 180 on third sheet. Sheet
Column
th- sheet 3 column 180 row 180. It is 200329, and then it is on the first sheet. It is 3477 row number. You got it?
3477.
Yeah, 3477. Yeah, you just got
Yeah, this
3477.
one.
Yeah. Can you show the result for this one?
20329. Yeah,
Yeah. The
220.
result 220. And what did we have? Is it?
200329. Go to the sheet 3.
Yeah, it is also 220.
Okay.
180.
1
180.
180. Yes. It's exact.
So this is right, no?
Yes. I save the sheet.
I can submit no now.
Yes. You can submit.
Rest everything is good.
Where's the drop down list? Once again.
Drop down list in sheet 2, right?
It's the question from according to the column E and F in the sheet in the relation customer ID is now. Okay, that's it. The contest and drop down option.
Under, yes, under for cell A1 and
Drop
A2
down
sheet
option for cell A1 and B1 in sheet 2.
2. Hmm.
Okay, and yeah, I like this. Okay, I save the sheet and
Yeah.
it's back to you.
Or solution file 1, something like that. Okay, send it, no problem.
Okay.
Okay.
Um, mm, and you had practiced the last class what we had seen.
No, sir, I have not got the chance to practice.
Okay,
So today mostly I want to do revisions, so that I get the time to practice everything.
okay, okay,
From the first class that we do, can we have just quick
okay.
revision of that?
Mm. So last day we see that complete if what are the things we have solved that last time we saw that if nested if and
I if there was S also, so
yeah if and if or
or
and if yes and also we saw
so you have started the recording.
yes it's recording today. I started early.
Sir, is it possible that we do not make the YouTube video of that? People, I think people watch that video.
Sorry.
You put the videos as the Google YouTube videos, right?
Yes.
So I just saw that there are number of views of that videos.
Okay.
So I just wanted that not to have people access for that.
Sorry, I didn't get the point. What you saying?
I just want the personalized recordings, not the YouTube one.
No, before I'm sending them in mail. See that each and every time I send email, my mail got full. So that
There's share on there's
you
a
can. I will give an option to how to download from the YouTube. Okay.
I don't want to download. I just want to look at it once. There's a site no where we can share the heavy files. What it is called? I forgot.
So, but right now we are not using any other things.
No, it is through mail only.
Yeah, yes, mail only. You need in mail just for you. Send it in mail. Okay.
Okay,
So just you put your mail address to my WhatsApp.
I'll give it to you. Yeah.
Okay. And also, what we had saw in the last day, we saw that conditional formatting for duplication. Conditional formatting for duplication and data validation for duplications.
Yeah.
Data validation for restrict duplication and to formula for unique data. Formula for unique data and count. So the entire count we have seen that
Okay.
count count A, so count blank and count if and count if yes. Okay,
Okay.
these are the thing we had discussed in the last class.
Okay.
Okay, so just I rename the sheet name as an topics. So this is the sheet. Okay, what we see on last day. I copied the same thing.
Yeah.
Okay, I created one more sheet and paste it as in a value. So how to paste it as in value?
Spacing value means
So if I paste, I copied the data from sheet 1. Okay, if
okay.
I copy the same data in sheet 4, see
Uh-huh.
that the in sheet 1 if the sum of the columns are filled with formulas. Okay, I don't want the formulas in here, I need only the value.
I don't know, sir.
If we paste directly as a control V, it will brings all the format what is there. That means
So
formulas, formatting.
control alt V.
Yeah, control alt V,
Okay.
values.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. And you choose values.
Yeah, choose well. I choose the values.
Okay.
Okay.
Hmm.
And see here the name in here. The employee number, it's not displaying its full header name, and the employee name is hidden in here. So I need to get the complete things in
So
perspective.
you go to the edge
Edge to set
and
the
select
perspective.
yeah, and then you click
Double
double
click.
click. Yeah.
Yeah, okay,
Yeah.
fine. And I need to put in a difference between this header and the data. For this, I go to the header area, select the header,
Mm-hmm.
and in home tab,
Mm-hmm.
go to the format as table.
Mm-hmm.
This is in a to you to convert as a table.
Mm-hmm.
Right now, I know don't want to convert as a table. I move to the next option, cell styles. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
from here, I choosing any heading styles. So I choosing heading style heading 4 and employee number, employee name
Mm-hmm.
in the cell style of an mm, I choose an accent 160 percentage light blue,
Mm-hmm.
and for marketing
Mm-hmm.
and executive and post department and post
Mm-hmm.
cell styles, I choose the accent 360 percentage gray.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, and for the net one, I am selecting from the cell styles as an output, and for DA flat HRA TA, I'm
Mm-hmm.
selecting
Mm-hmm.
from the cell style as a calculation.
Okay.
Okay, and I
Mm-hmm.
select the entire thing and put on a border for that, outline border, and header as a center alignment. Okay,
Mm-hmm. This is good. Okay.
if you want to put in a highlight for this header, you can choose the any highlight colors from here.
This is self styles. Okay.
Cell styling, and okay,
Hmm.
right now I need to check the uh, total salary I'm paying for that department wise. Okay,
Count.
yeah, not count. I want the value total sum of the value. Okay,
Mm.
so in here there is a department marketing, finance, accounts, and admin. So I put the same things in here. So by simply I am selecting the department
Mm.
and copy, I
Mm.
paste it in down here.
Mm.
It pastes the entire things with duplications, and go
Okay.
to the data tab. Okay,
Mm.
in
Mm.
this data tab, in the data tools group, you can see the remove duplication. I click on the remove duplication. There's an option my data has headers, so department is the header.
Mm.
So just tick mark on the checkbox and click
Mm.
on the OK button.
Mm.
Now the duplications were removed,
Mm.
so the unique data are there.
Mm.
So I need to get the total net pay for the each and every department.
Mm.
Okay.
Mm.
So total net pay. Okay. In the header
Mm.
and below, what formula I can use in here? Any guess?
Give me time. If.
If no, like if we are using someone because another formula. If we need to get this total, okay.
Mm. Mm.
If we need to get this total, we simply write equal to sum
Mm.
bracket open and
Mm.
select the range,
Mm.
close bracket, enter. Okay,
Mm.
we get the
Mm.
total.
Yeah.
Without I'm writing the formula, I need to get this total. That means place the pointer below the end. Okay.
Mm.
After press Alt plus equal to,
Mm.
it automatically see that the
Mm.
formulas
Come.
put an
Mm.
enter.
Mm. Alt plus equal to.
Yeah.
Mm.
and see this is in a total. In
Mm.
here, I need to get the value for the marketing, finance, accounts, and admin
So
as
alt plus equal to works here also.
no. In here, I need to put the formula
Mm.
function equal to
Mm.
sum if.
Mm. Sumif.
Yeah.
Okay, if is for individuals, right?
Yes. Yes.
If we want total, then it is sumif. Okay.
Yes. Bracket open. You can see there's three rooms in here: range,
Mm.
criteria, and sum range.
So let me sir, tell you the range and everything, myself.
Yeah.
So we will select the whole of net.
Range is the net.
Yeah, range is the net, and then we will freeze the column and defreeze the rows.
Okay.
So we will do double. Yeah, we will do double F4.
Double F4. Just a minute. Range, criteria,
Criteria is
and
marketing.
some range. Okay.
Oh, we have to put some range also.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, yeah, the last value. Okay.
Okay. Hmm.
Excel is not that easy.
Excel.
Yeah, there's so many formulas in
The simple trick we need to understand the arguments. What is the argument?
there.
Okay.
Asking. Yeah.
Here's the argument. They said it's in a range and criteria and some range. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So they have clearly said there is in a some range.
Mm.
Okay. So the sum range is the space. It will calculate the value. Okay. What is the sum operation will do? It will calculate.
Yeah.
So the sum range is the space is given to calculate the range value. Okay. So in here, for get the result of the marketing department,
Okay, so the range will be the whole department,
yeah, right now you got
and some range will be the whole net
net value.
total net value, and criteria will be only marketing.
Yes. Now you understand.
Yeah. Yeah.
Now it's simple. Excel. Okay. First one is the range to select the whole department
Yeah.
and F4,
Mm.
comma. The criteria is this the
Just one
unique
time F.
value.
Just
Unique
one
value.
time F4, right?
Yeah. One
So
time
the
F4 and criteria is that unique value
uh,
and comma the sum range is the entire net pay and F4 one time F4 bracket
mm.
close enter.
Okay,
In
so show
here,
me. Yeah, show
yeah,
me one thing, sir. If we do one time F4, then what got decreased?
it will freeze the rows and columns.
Oh, okay.
Okay,
Yeah.
and you see that I didn't freeze that this unique data. Okay, because I will copy the formula to next row. It
Yeah.
automatically gets shifted. So that's why I didn't log that unique data.
Yeah, got it.
Just I drag this. I got result for the all the departments,
Yeah.
and we can check the total. Alt equal to. See here the both the totals are same. 28 3107.2. Okay.
Mm.
Likewise, we do another thing. So this is a department. So get the department again, and also there is an executive, assistant manager, and manager, senior executive. I copy this and paste in here. I need to remove the duplicate. So go to the
Go
data
to
tab
data. Go
and data
to
tools
data.
remove duplicates. There is no header in here, so just uncheck the checkbox
mm,
and click on the OK. It removed the duplicate values.
mm,
And once again, I copy this one.
mm,
I place my pointer in here
mm,
and Control Alt V. I
mm,
need to paste this in transpose
mm,
and click OK button. So see here, it pastes in the transpose.
mm,
Okay. And I remove this one. I no need of this. So go to the home and
mm,
clear all. Okay.
mm, mm,
So right now I need to get the result for marketing department executive.
mm.
How much I'm paying for executives, assistant manager, senior executive, and manager. Okay.
Mm.
Is that sum if is we can use the sum if here or we need some other help other
Some
than
other,
sum if?
some other helps.
Some other. Okay. So there are two criteria checkpoints in here. Okay.
Mm, yes.
So one thing we need to check it should be which department, and
Mm.
another one it is in a which post.
So this is like some product.
No, some product. Even we can use the some product, but now we are not using the some product. We are going to use sum if yes,
Sumifs.
like the count if yes.
Okay.
Okay. So equal to sum if
Mm,
yes. Okay. You can check the thing, the difference between the sum if and sum if yes. Okay. The sum if it has the sum range at the end. Okay. In sum if you can see here in sum if the sum range is placed at the end, in third argument,
mm,
because in sum if you can use only one criteria.
okay.
Okay. But in some ifs, you can use the multiple criteria.
Mm,
Okay. So
mm,
that's why the sum range is given in the first place.
mm.
So in here, you need to select the sum range as the net
First.
pay
Okay. Yes.
and F4,
Mm,
comma,
mm,
and the criteria range. The first
okay.
criteria, I'm
Market.
giving the preference for
Market.
department, departments.
Yeah,
So it is
departments.
in a criteria range. So that means I need to select the entire department from the data.
Mm,
Okay. And
mm,
F4,
mm.
comma, I need to check the which criteria. So this one.
EX.
And right
Okay.
now, I need to freeze these also.
Yes.
Yes. F4 and one I pressed one time F4, it freezed column and the row,
Mm.
but I will move this formula to the next column. Okay.
Yes.
While I'm
So
moving to the next column,
one time more effort.
more one time. It
Mm.
locked the row, but
Mm.
it unlocked the column. But actually, it should be not
One time more.
one time more. Okay. And comma, and
Mm.
the next argument is criteria range 2.
Mm.
So in criteria range 2, go to the database again,
Mm.
select the post, okay,
Mm.
entirely, and press F4 for the one time and
Mm.
comma, and the
Mm.
criteria 2 as the next argument,
EX.
EX.
Mm.
And here also I need to freeze
One time two times
two
only.
times, okay.
Mm.
And there is only two criteria checkpoints in here. If
Mm.
there is more, you can put for the next criteria range 3. Okay.
Mm.
So there is no more. So I just closing the bracket and put
Mm.
an enter.
Mm.
I got the result.
Mm.
In marketing department for executive, I'm spending 15,540.
Mm.
Likewise, I select the entire
Mm.
resulting area,
Mm.
Control D and
Mm.
Control R.
Mm.
Okay.
Mm.
In finance, there is no senior executive. Accounts, there is no senior executive.
Mm.
In admin, there is no assistant manager.
Mm.
In admin, there is no manager. We can compare this to last day session. See here, we use the count if s formula.
Mm-hmm.
It gives the same zero values for the admin in assistant
Mm-hmm.
manager and manager.
Yes, sir.
The same here also. Okay.
So,
So this is sum if s. Now you
um,
go clear about sum if and sum if s.
sumif and sumifs. Sumifs. So I only find problem where to freeze, where to not. That is.
Where to freeze and where to not.
Hmm.
Okay. I will create a sheet and give to you today. Okay. By today evening end. Uh, just you work out on the sheet. Okay.
Uh-huh.
While you practicing on that sheet,
Uh-huh.
you will get the idea. Maybe you will got the error in the first time, and you analyze the next day one more and one more time. You will be clear. Okay.
Okay.
I
Okay.
will give another data, not this data, but this sheet also I will be sharing to you after the class.
Okay, sir. Is it possible that on the Monday we have class
No,
in the
ma'am. No. Next Monday to Friday in daytime, I'm not giving class to you
okay,
uh, because I engage in some other things. So next Saturday and Sunday, you will be having the classes.
Monday to Friday next you won't have.
Monday to Friday, uh, I will say you the what time the class will be there. Okay. And what is your working time now?
I work from home right now, so
Okay.
that is not an issue. But in the evening I have my live classes every time for 3 hours, seven
At
p.m.
what time it starts and end?
It starts from 7 to 10
7
p.m.
to 10.
Yeah.
Okay.
So
Otherwise,
Monday I'll have class. Tuesday I will not have. Then Wednesday I will have. Thursday I won't have. Then Friday I'll have. Then Saturday Sunday I will have a
your
class.
online classes or alternative days?
Yeah, for next week it is alternate days. Yes.
Next week, alternative days.
Mm.
At so, what are the days you are not having the classes?
Tuesday and then Thursday.
Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday.
Saturday I have. Then again I'll have a class for the rest.
Okay. So Tuesday and Wednesday, sorry, Tuesday and Thursday, you are not having the class.
No, in the
Okay.
evening I won't have.
Uh, so I can make another thing for you. So I can give the classes in 7 p.m. after 7 p.m.
Yeah, at 7:15 we can have classes. Yes.
7:15. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. 7:15 to but 45 minutes. I can give you 45 minutes class.
Okay.
7:15 to 8 o'clock.
Okay. You can
Okay.
start at 7 also. No
7
problem.
also. Okay. If okay 7. 7 to 8.
Okay.
Okay, done. So next week you having the class at the evening time for Tuesday and Thursday, and
Mm.
Saturday Sunday you will be having in the same morning time,
Yeah, Saturday Sunday morning time is
the
okay.
same time, comfortable to you.
Tomorrow I will have class from 11 to 12:30.
Okay. So
Yeah.
so tomorrow so there is no class for you. Okay.
Tomorrow I'll have class from 11 to 12:30, and then again in the evening 7 to 10.
Okay. Yes. Tomorrow you having the class 11 to
Yeah,
12. Yeah.
Sunday is quite busy, sir.
Sunday you are free. Okay.
No, Sunday busy.
Busy.
Yeah,
Oh. So
tomorrow is Sunday, no.
yeah, Sunday you are busy.
Yeah, Sunday there's two, three classes together.
Okay. So Sunday you don't want the class.
Yeah, Sunday I don't have the class.
Okay, no problem. So tomorrow you know. So
Maybe,
we can have
maybe
the.
next Sunday, sir. Maybe next Sunday. But this Sunday I have two, three classes together.
Okay, okay, okay. So
Yeah.
okay, tomorrow. So I'm not giving the class to you. So we can have the class on the next Tuesday evening.
Yeah, if my Monday class get cancelled if somehow, then I will inform you in the daytime only. Okay.
Okay, you can inform me on the daytime.
Mm.
Okay.
Yeah, sure, sure.
Okay. So
The Sunday is so busy. That's why I was asking some time on Monday so that I can practice in the morning.
okay,
I practice in the Monday morning.
okay. It's okay. We can continue the class right now.
Yeah.
Mm. So the sum if and sum if s it's clear to you. We can have the next one. Mm. Instead, using the sum if s,
Mm-hmm.
we need to get the same result by using the sum product. You can try that.
Okay. No problem.
Okay. Just I remove this.
Mm.
Uh, okay.
Equal to
Equal to sum product.
that.
Okay.
And the
In first
first first array will be of the department.
department. So I can open a one more bracket.
Yeah, one more bracket.
So where I need to select from here or I need to select from here.
We have to select from the below.
Below. Uh, Note the point. So we need the result in here.
Yes.
Okay, we need the result in here.
Mm.
So go, don't select from here as the first point. Okay, so go and select the result from the data. Okay,
Okay.
so this is the data. Okay, from this data we need to abstract the result. So go to the data and select the department from here as an entirely
Okay.
and put an F4.
F4 then equal to sign.
Yeah, equal to sign
Then I'll put market.
marketing. Okay,
Yeah.
and how to freeze it? Please.
Let me just guess. Give me a
Yeah,
second. Three times F4.
three times. One, two, three. Exact. Correct.
Correct, no? Okay.
Okay, and
Then
close the bracket
close the bracket.
and
Then
into
into the multiply sign. Yes. Into another bracket.
another bracket.
Go to the go to the executive row. The
Hmm,
whole
post
country will select. Yeah. Post.
F4
Same thing equal to
equal to this one
X. Yeah. Again three times.
and freezing.
Again three times. No, no,
No.
no, 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 no. Two times.
Yeah. Okay. Two
Two
times.
times. Two times. Yeah.
Close the bracket.
Zero. Close
Hmm,
the bracket.
comma
Comma. Then we'll give the value.
value
Some value. Oh. Then we have to select the whole.
F4. Close the bracket.
Equal.
Enter.
Control D. Control R.
Yeah. Select Control D and Control R. Exact. There you are getting the same results.
Yeah.
You said the Excel is too hard, but you are learning so fast.
I just need practice time.
Okay.
Yeah.
Uh, while you comparing and learning, it isn't easy to understand the formulas right now. The sum if
Yes.
s and some
Some
product.
product. Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
And okay. It's clear between the sum if and sum if s and some product.
There's one criteria, then we go for sumif. If there are two criteria, then we go for subproduct or
Sum if
sum
s.
sum if s.
The sum product is more dynamic.
Yeah,
Yes.
looks like yeah.
And okay. And next thing, you already worked in vlookup, I think. Okay.
Yeah, question we solved there.
Yes. So you are familiar with vlookup. Right now, I give the same thing for you. So I need to create a drop-down list for this employee code
Mm.
in the cell range in here. Okay,
Mm.
drop-down list or in below here. Okay, here I need to create a drop-down list for the employee code. I put in a employee code EMP code. I need in here B37.
Okay.
How to create the drop-down list?
We where is we go? We go to the conditional formatting.
No. Okay, to create a drop-down list,
Yeah.
it's in data validation. Okay, so
Yeah.
where you need the drop down list, just place your pointer there
Mm.
and go to the data tab. Okay, Go to
Data,
the
yeah.
data tab
Data
and go to
validation.
the data tools group. You
Mm-hmm.
can see the data validation.
Yes.
Click there and
Mm.
you can click on
List.
the arrow,
List.
select the list.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then
In
source,
source,
I have to select the range.
select the source, place the pointer in the source and go to
Mm-hmm.
the range from where you need to create the drop down.
Mm-hmm.
Select the entire employee code
Mm.
and click on the OK button
Yeah,
and
so,
go down. You can see the arrow, you can see the drop down list.
yeah, but you know what you did last time? You dragged this to the upper one and put it there. I wasn't able to do that.
Mm,
Understood what I said?
the last time I just moved in keyboard.
Just scroll up, sir. Let me tell you what I'm
Okay.
going to do. This is the imply code written here, right?
Yeah.
So you drag from the below and put it here after doing in another cell, and it came for the imply code here.
I drag from here.
No, you drag from the below and you put the drop here.
Drag from
And
here.
here.
You can drag from top to
No,
bottom.
what you did is you, let's suppose I wanted to put a drop down below this imply code. Okay.
Below this employee code. Here,
Yes.
in here.
So you did not do it here only. You did it on different cell and then you drag from there to here.
Yeah.
Understood?
Oh, yeah, understood. I understood.
Yeah.
I
So
just
how did you
explained
do
the
that?
thing for you. I just explained the thing how it works for you. And after that, I showed in there. Okay. So instead of creating one more time, I just drag that. That's all.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
So it's clear now. That's how it's be creating the drop down list.
Yeah. Can you show me how did you drag that?
Sorry.
How can I drag it to here, sir? You know,
You want to
I,
drag from here. Okay.
yeah.
If you want to drag anything, just click on that. Not only this drop down list. If any other thing in any cell, okay, just click on that cell or it is in a range. Click on that. Okay. You
Mm,
can see that the selected it has a border, four borders. While
mm.
you moving your arrow pointer to that border, it will change it on a arrowed mark. Okay,
Plus, yeah.
just arrowed plus. Okay, click on that border and drag wherever you need to move that.
Mm,
Okay, now it's moved in here. Once again I need to move this on the left end. I select the both the things and place the pointer in the border and click, drag and move to the left end. Okay.
mm,
Okay, in here there's an employee code, so I can take the headers. So that I need the headers, I need the name and which department and which post
mm,
and what is the basic pay and the net pay and other things I no need.
mm.
Okay, so I taking these headers, copy and pasting down. So it's not copied. Copy and paste only the value. Control Alt V is a value and also the net. Control Alt V value.
So what will the value do in this control alt tree?
It will not bring the formats. That means I formatted in here as a background color and also I
Oh,
formatted
oh,
in the cell styles.
yeah.
I don't need that things. Okay, so I just paste as a value.
Okay.
Right now I can put different header line in here, just a background color. I make it in a center and a bold. So this is in a different color, and these are the resulting area. I change the color as a light green with borders. If I change the employee code, Here the detail should be changed. Okay.
Mm.
At the same time, so for that we need to find the result in here from the data
Mm.
with the help of vlookup.
What does VLOOKUP do, sir? Can you explain
Okay.
briefly?
I will explain the vlookup. Now I will explain the function first. Equal to vlookup. You have the lookup value.
Mm.
Lookup value, and next one is in a table array, and the next one is in a column index number, and the last one is in a range lookup. Okay. So it is in a lookup value, table array, column index number, and range lookup. So differentiate with different colors. It's in a lookup value, and it's in a table array and column index number and range lookup. It may be in black. Okay. So there are one, two, three, and four. There are four arguments.
Mm.
Okay. The first one is the lookup value. Okay. So that means I'm going to apply this formula in these cells. Okay.
Okay.
So in here, I need to get the name according to this employee code. That means in here in this VLOOKUP, the lookup value it means it's
Mm.
this employee code.
Mm.
Okay. So the lookup value is this employee code, and
Mm-hmm.
according to this lookup value, I need to get the result in here. Okay.
Mm.
So employee code is the lookup value,
Mm.
and it should be find the data from the data range. So in here, the data range is the table. What is
Mm.
the table? The table is this data, the entire data.
Mm.
Okay.
Mm.
And the next point you want to note that
Mm.
if you're selecting the lookup value as an employee code, the
Mm.
lookup value it must be the first column of the table array. In checking the above,
Then if it is for other columns like post, book, basic, we won't be able to do VLOOKUP.
I will explain that. Okay. So this is too complicated to check this in the different range area. Right? So I will
Mm.
take these things completely. Okay. So on a next sheet, I created another sheet. I put in a paste. I click OK, and so for the sheet 4, Control X. Okay. Basic. These are no need. It's visible to you now.
Yeah.
Okay. So I need to get the result from this data. Okay. I need the result from this data. For that, I'm going to put equal to vlookup And the first one is a lookup value. So lookup
Like
value is the employee code, okay,
mm,
and comma.
the whole table.
That whole data is in a table array.
Mm-hmm.
The point is to be if you are selecting the table, in that table the lookup value should be the first column, okay. And you had a question in that if we are instead of employee code, I'm finding the result with the employee name, okay. That means the employee name is the lookup value.
Mm-hmm.
Actually, in see here, while I'm selecting the table from the employee code is the first column and the employee name is the second column.
Mm-hmm.
If I'm if I need to get the result
Mm-hmm.
as based on the name, then the name will be the lookup value. And while selecting the table array, I will not select from the employee code. I will select from the name. Okay.
But what if we? I also want to have imply code. It won't
Sorry,
be possible.
I didn't get you.
So what if we also want to select imply code for the VLOOKUP? That won't be possible.
No. Uh, See here. This is a point. We have another two types of thing in here. Okay. In here we are having the thing as an employee name. So that is Ajit Roy. Okay. In here, Ajit Roy is the lookup value. I need to check the department of Ajit Roy and post basic and net. Okay.
But if
If
I want to know the imply code also of
you
Ajit Roy.
want to know the employee code of the Ajit Roy,
Mm-hmm.
just look at the data. Actually, the name in the in between of the employee code.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, the employee code is the starts in the left end. Okay,
Yeah.
in VLOOKUP we can get the result from the right hand side. Okay, right hand side of the lookup value. We cannot get the result to the left hand side of the lookup value. We cannot get the result.
Okay.
Okay,
Mm.
there is another solution for that. I will say to you at the end. Okay,
Okay.
we ask this employee code if the person having an employee code. Okay, first we can get clear in the VLOOKUP equal
Okay.
to VLOOKUP, select the lookup value,
Mm.
comma, and the
Table.
table array is the entire data and comma column index number. That means the column index number means the employee code is in a first column and the name is in a second column in the
Yeah.
table.
Mm.
Okay, that
Mm.
means I need the result from the second column.
Mm.
Okay, so the
Mm.
VLOOKUP gives the result based on the column wise. Okay,
Okay.
so it's in a column index number 2 and comma and the range lookup. The range lookup there are sort of two options. Either it is an approximate match or it's an exact match. Right here, I need to get
Zero.
an exact match.
Zero. Yes.
Yeah, zero. Zero, it's an exact match. So close the
Mm.
bracket.
Mm.
I got the result. So E002, where is it? Yeah, here, the same name. If I change the employee code, E999, Robert Peter, it gets the name. The same thing, I need
If
to
you
get
want to
the
see
result
for the others, yes.
yeah.
Then again we will do we look up in every column.
Yeah, we need to do the VLOOKUP at every column, or we can drag the same formula,
Mm.
but I didn't freeze in here anything. Okay, so I put place the pointer in the same
Let's do
resulted area.
something in the department. No, let's do something in department and there we will freeze.
Yeah, we need to change the column number.
Column number, yes.
Yeah. So see here, I put that F2.
Mm.
I freeze the lookup value. That means employee code F4.
Mm.
Okay. And also I freeze the table. Okay. That's it. And I drag or copy this formula to enter other resulted area, but it
Mm.
gives the same name because the column number is still 2. Okay,
It
I need to
operated.
change the column number as an 3 and the column number as an 4 and the column number as 5 and net. What is the column of the net? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
Yeah.
It's in the 12th column.
Mm.
So I need to put the column number as a 12. Okay.
Okay.
It gives me the result.
So we have to do it individually.
So, but this is not a good one because each and
Yeah.
every time I need to do as an individual.
Yeah.
So it makes me again and again complicated. Okay.
Yeah.
I want to be simple. So for that, to make this as a simple, we going to learn another combination formula that to make this VLOOKUP more dynamic. Okay.
Yeah.
So that is the thing. It is index and match. Okay, index and match. So I rename the sheet 5 as okay lookup. Okay, I rename the sheet 5 as a lookup,
Mm.
and I copy the right click on this sheet,
Mm.
move or in a copy.
Mm.
I create a copy. Okay, and put an OK. It created another copy of the same sheet lookup 2 and rename this as an index plus match. Okay, in here I'm not using the vlookup formula. In here we going to see about the index and match. So just remove this a bit. So what is an index?
Index is like the header that we put
Mm, in
to.
here in Excel, index will return the values. Okay,
Okay.
returns the values. Okay, and match returns the position.
Position
Yeah, that
of
means
position in those values.
the position means if I selecting the employee code from the A2 to A11. Okay, that means in here the E009 at the first row. Okay, and
Yeah.
E123 at the second row in the selected area. So that means it returns the position. The position means if I'm checking the E999, what is the position? It's a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is
Oh,
in a
fine.
fifth
Fine.
position.
Yeah, understood, sir. Yeah.
Okay.
Mm. Mm.
This is the index and match. While separately we are using index and match, it is not as much useful for us. So we're going to combine this index and match. Index and match are also dynamic, more dynamic than the lookup. Okay.
Okay.
So we are going to learn about the index and match. Okay. So what is an index functions? So equal to
Mm.
index. In index there are two types of arguments, and in that we're going to select the first one. Okay. So both are the same. So in first one there is an array and next one is in a row number
Mm.
and column number.
Mm.
This is for index and for match. First I will clear this index. Okay, in
Mm.
index the first position it shows that the
Mm.
array. I can put on a space, then it will be clear. Okay, array, that means the array is means from which area I need to get the result. If
Mm.
I'm selecting these as a table from the employee code header to the end, okay, this entire thing is not the resulting area because this includes the header position. Okay, also it includes the employee codes. I only need to get the result. Okay, so what is the resulting area? Resulting area is
All
starting the,
row from 2.
yeah, row from 2
Mm.
and column from 2.
Mm.
Okay,
Mm.
so this is called as an array in index. So
Okay.
because this is the resulting area
Mm.
without counting the headers.
Yes.
Okay, and the row number. Row number means I need to get the result from which row.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, that means in here the row number 1 is Sumit Sharma
Mm.
and row number 2 is Manoj,
Mm.
3 is Ajit.
Mm.
So from which row I need to get the result
Okay.
and which column I need to get the result. The column, first column is name, second column is department, third column is post. From which column number I need to get the result. It is not mandatory to maintain the row number and column number at the same time. According to your data, either you can use only row or
Mm.
either a column.
Okay.
Based on that, you can get the result. It will return the value
Can you,
what
can
is in
you
that particular cell.
can you try once and show me?
Yeah, okay. See here, I'm showing from here itself the index equal to
Mm-hmm.
index bracket
Mm-hmm.
open
Mm-hmm.
and selecting the data
Yes. Comma.
and comma. I'm only
Mm.
putting the row number. I'm putting the row number as a 5 and close the bracket. Enter.
Column number.
It results in, it gives an error.
Yeah.
Why it gives error means because I selected the whole range as an array.
Uh,
Okay. In
mm.
here, it should not be like this. It should be the only one column the array. Okay. Only the name. Okay.
Yeah.
So once again, show from the starting. So that means equal to index bracket
Index.
open to the
Sumif.
entire name.
And Suma. Yes.
Okay. Comma.
Mm.
I need the result of the fifth row.
Mm.
Bracket close. Enter.
Mm.
You get the result right now.
Mm.
That means the data array, if you are using any single column,
Mm.
you only want to put the row number.
Mm.
Likewise, same here, check in here. It's not on the department, okay. Equal to index array. Array in here, I am selecting
Good.
uh, the only one row, okay.
Okay.
Comma. Row number is not necessary in here. So once again, comma. Column number. The column number, I need
Number
the fifth column
1,
result.
3, 4, 5.
Okay,
Okay.
fifth column result. Bracket close, enter. It gives me 18,000. So the first column is Manoj Patra,
Mm.
and department marketing as a second, and post is the third, and fourth is in a basic, fifth one is in a DA. It results in DA 18,000. Now we got the point how the index is working.
Yeah, but how to use it? I
I
difficult.
will give you the solution.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, see here, in here, by individually we are using, we need to manually put the row number and column number. It is hard. I need to get the row number and column number by automatically. Okay, for
Okay.
that we're going to use the match function. Okay, the
Okay.
match. So match function, it's like the lookup. It has an a lookup value and lookup array and match type.
Mm.
Okay, the first one is the lookup value, and
Mm.
second is the lookup array, and third one is
Mm.
the match type. According to
Mm.
that lookup value, I need to get the result from the array.
Mm.
So find that, okay, in here, so see here, equal to match, bracket open, lookup value is selecting the name, okay, the name, comma, lookup array, I'm selecting only the headers from employee code to the net, only the headers, okay.
Okay.
While using the match, you need to select either a column or a row, only single row or a single column, not a range.
What you're saying, sir?
While using a
Single terrace. Oh yeah.
single row or a single column.
Okay.
Right now I selected only a single row from employee code to net.
Yeah.
Okay. So comma, I need an exact result. So
Okay.
0,
Okay.
bracket close, enter.
What is two?
The 2 means in a,
The row number two.
no, column number 2.
Sorry, column number two.
Yeah, I selected from employee code to net. Okay. So in here, the first employee code is in a first column and name is in a second column.
Yeah.
Okay.
Mm.
So in here, we're going to combine the both index and match. So match, it gives you the position. Okay.
Okay.
So I'm going to combine the both.
Okay.
To combine this, equal to, I start with an index because why I am starting with an index. Index, it returns the value. I only need the value, not the position.
Okay.
Okay, so I start with index. Okay, open
Understood. Yeah.
bracket and array.
Row.
Array
So
means the only the resulting
column.
area, not the
Yeah.
headers. Okay,
Okay.
only the resulting area, not the headers.
Okay.
And I freeze that F4. So F4 freeze and comma
Hmm.
row number. Row number, I need to put manually number.
Hmm.
So I don't want to enter the manual number. Okay, it
Hmm.
should be dynamic. So I putting in a match function in
Match
here.
function. Yes.
Match function.
Hmm.
So the lookup value is the employee code.
Yes. Okay.
So I need to get the row number. So I select in the lookup value is an employee code, and
Hmm.
I freeze that F4, comma,
Then it will always show the result only for this code,
this one. Sorry,
sir.
yeah.
In this case, it will the match will always show the result for employee code E002.
No, if you are changing the, it's in if I change the employee code value in here,
Oh,
okay,
oh,
It will
Okay.
change. Okay.
Okay.
So that's lookup value. I selected in here lookup value is an employee
So you
code.
do not have to freeze, defreeze something, no?
No, I need to freeze because I will apply this formula to the next department post basic and net. No,
Yeah. Okay.
so it should not be move.
So you freezed this one
Yes, I
also.
freezed. I freezed that,
Okay.
and I need to select the lookup array. So what is the lookup array? From where I need to select? Lookup value is employee code. So what is the lookup array in here?
The whole column.
Whole column
Name.
of the
Name.
employee
Name.
code. Employee code, and it starts from the first employee code, not the header. Okay,
Okay. Sorry.
not the header.
Yeah.
And once again I freeze in here F4, comma, and it should be an exact match. So 0,
Mm.
bracket close.
Mm.
The row number I inserted a match function,
Mm.
comma, and right now I am in the index third argument column number area.
Yeah.
Okay.
E002. E002.
So
It is
in
registered.
column number I need to get the result of the
Mm.
employee code
Mm.
name in
Mm.
this cell.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. So that
Yeah.
means I need to put the column number. So instead of column number, I am putting again match function.
It's difficult to understand.
Once you understand, it is very easy.
A match.
Match
What?
and lookup value is the name.
Yeah.
Okay, name. And
Mm.
if I'm moving to the right, it should be move. No, so I'm not fishing in here.
Mm.
And comma and lookup array.
Will
And
be
lookup array is the headers. And from where I need to select from employee code or from the name.
name.
Name. Okay,
Mm.
from the name.
Mm.
I freeze that,
Mm.
comma, and
Mm.
the result should be an exact. So 0,
Mm.
bracket close,
Mm.
and bracket close. I close the index and put an
Mm.
enter. I get the result
Mm.
E002.
And can you do control R? No, let me see.
Select and control R.
Yeah,
Not
this formula I do not understand.
formula you not understand.
Mm.
Right.
But let's just try in another day then.
Yeah.
Mm.
Okay.
The main, I think, apart from the formula, the issue that will be coming is on when to freeze and when not to freeze.
Apart from the formula,
Uh, the condition when to freeze and when not to freeze, I'm getting confused in that.
uh, so this is the beginning. No, you will be learned by one.
Yeah. Okay. I'll try to rewatch all this and
Okay.
understand it. I can. I'll tell you. As I'll
Okay.
ask.
So I save this one. Okay.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
So I not completed the lookup. Okay. So
Mm-hmm.
there is some other pending. So how to do this as more dynamic? Just I thought that what is an index and what is a match, how to
Mm-hmm.
apply the index and match. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
If see this, I change the name of the header in here post.
Mm-hmm.
See the result
Changes.
change.
Mm.
What is the header name actually? DEPT. Okay. So
TPT.
DEPT.
Mm.
Okay. It gives the exact result for the department. clear to you now?
It will be, sir. Let me see it with a fresh mind.
Okay.
Uh, yeah.
Okay, I stopped here today. Okay,
Yeah, sure.
I stop here and I share the sheet to you.
Mm-hmm.
Just you check on this
Mm-hmm.
and do practice. And you have 2 days time, no?
Mm-hmm.
Whenever you got free, just practice on this. And if you not understand, just mark on that. We can have the class on Tuesday.
Monday or
So,
Tuesday. Yeah.
okay.
Yes, sir.
Mm, so
So for the next week, totally you're not free in the daytime.
no, I'm not free. Okay. Whatever you have any clarification, just you message me in WhatsApp. Okay.
Okay, I'll ask them.
Okay, I'll be live in WhatsApp.
Okay.
So we can stop the session now. In for
Yeah.
today.
Yes. Okay. Share the video and the sheets.
Okay. So what are the things we had seen today?
We saw some
Some
if s,
sumifs and sumifs
s,
and some
some
product
product.
also.
We look up
Today we
and
saw that some sumif and some if s and some
some
product
product.
and
Some part of we look up and
we
then
look
it
up
match.
index and match. Okay. So this is the class. What is the last day date? 8,
Today is 8/4.
and today it is an
So today is 9.
yeah, today's night.
Yesterday is 9. Yeah.
Save again, and I save the file as an day 5. Save as day 5. Okay.